Hi paper crafters, today I'd like to show you how I made a set of Easter treat boxes. I have found some lovely carrot-shaped pens to give to children and decided to make the boxes following the same theme to match my pens. That will also give me the opportunity to add some chocolates to the pens. So let's get started and see how they were made. To create the shape of the box, I'm going to use this die by Spellbinders called What's the Point? It's one of the steel rule dies and it can cut through several sheets of paper. I have pre-cut my paper to 8 by 10 inches and now I'm going to send it through the machine. So I'm starting by placing the cutting plate, then the die on top. Then I'm placing 3 layers of paper and covering them up with the crease plate. The crease plate is recommended to use when the die has both cutting and creasing lines. Now you can see that the die cut it through 3 layers easily, and it also created nice deep crease lines for easy scoring. First, I'd like to show you how to make the basic box and then we'll move on to the advanced version. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm scoring along the crease lines. Then I'm applying some tape adhesive to the long tab to connect both pieces. The tab is about 1/4 of an inch wide, which makes it very convenient to use with a tape runner. Then I have applied the adhesive to the other tab, stuck it down, and that basically finishes the box. Very easy to create. To turn the box into the carrot, I'll need a strip of green paper. Then with a pair of scissors, I'm creating a fringe. To twist this fringe into a roll, I will need a quilling tool, so I'm setting up a quilling nib into my tool-in-one, and then I'm starting to turn it around it. Then with a bit of hot glue, I'm securing the end of the fringe. Then I'm going to apply more glue to the bottom, and then simply stick it to the top of the box. If you don't have a quilling tool, you can simply use a toothpick or a wooden skewer. So this is the basic box, but I would like to make some alterations to it to hold those cute carrot-shaped gel pens. As always, I will link you up to all the supplies that I used as well as the pens in the description as well as on my blog. I have die cut the same box shape out of acetate. I need the acetate to create clear windows for my boxes. Now I'm going to use the scissors to trim off the tabs and the lid and cut the box into triangles. Then I'm going to take a patterned paper template and cut out the window using the ruler and a craft knife. I'm only making a window at one side of the box. You can choose any one of them. I'm leaving a border about 1/4 of an inch to be able to apply adhesive with a tape runner. I'm applying the tape at the wrong side and then I'm sticking down the acetate. You can see that the pen is a bit longer than the box, but there is a trick to fit it in. I will need a small circle stencil about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. I'm making one with a circle punch, then I'm trimming off the excess to be able to center it easily. So I'm centering it on the lid of the box and I'm tracing it with the stylus. This is going to create a circular crease line. Then with a craft knife I'm making a crisscross cut on that circle. Then I'm going to cut each section in two to create even more little tabs. But before I start assembling the box, I would like to add a little embellishment to the window. I'll be using this mini carrot die set by Gummiapan. There is also a basket in that set, but I'm not going to use it for this project. I'll be using Ranger Multimedia Matte to stick paper to acetate. So first I'm applying some glue onto the tail and sticking it down right into the corner of the window. And then I'm attaching the carrot. I'm trying to apply as little adhesive as possible, but if there happens to be any excess, you just can clean it off with a baby wipe. Then I am assembling the box as usual, so I'm applying tape to the tabs and putting the box together. Then I'm going to fill the box with chocolates. I'm trying to choose the treats that will not stick to the paper. Then I'm inserting the carrot pen through the hole at the top of the box. I will assemble the remaining 5 boxes the same way. Let's see it one more time. I'm filling the box with the treats, then closing up the box, and then inserting the carrot pen through the top. Isn't that easy? Now let's have a look at the finished projects. I like that the boxes make a nice display for the pens and that the packaging is actually the part of the gift. I'm starting a new tutorial series called Thoughtful Gifts, where I will give you more gift ideas with the matching packaging. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial and found some ideas interesting and worth trying. I hope to see you again really soon and have a wonderful day.